Okay, I'm making this video today because I'm having problems with my Xbox. And I was seeing if anybody had any suggestions. I tried to look before, and people were trying to say it was the power brick and this and that, and it's just that my Xbox won't turn on. Like, you can push it, and it will turn on and off, like, immediately. And the thing just goes red, and if you unplug it for a second, it'll go back to, it'll shut itself off and reset itself. Plug the power back in, and if you push the eject button, it'll turn on, and it just won't, just like regular. And it just goes to red. I noticed that the power brick, so if I reset the power brick, back in the back, you got the back of here, same brick, and put it in the back of this Xbox. It works just fine. So if anybody has any suggestions on what other issues it could be, I'd appreciate the help if you can offer any. And I don't know, just leave some comments on what you think it could be maybe, or what would help. Thanks.